Hello there, my succulents. You look so lovely again today. Just looking at your plump leaves makes my heart feel so at ease. But tell me, doesn't growing succulents seem easy at first, yet surprisingly tricky? You might think, I must water them or they'll wither, only to find them turning mushy and rotting before you know it. To be honest, I've lost many plants that way myself. Today, I'd like to share some tips to help you avoid those mistakes and talk about a watering routine that will make your succulents happy. Once you learn this, you'll feel much closer to your plants. First, let's imagine where these little ones came from. Most succulents were born in dry lands where rain rarely falls. That's why they have the power to survive by storing plenty of water in their leaves and stems. The golden rule for watering is only after the soil is completely dry. There's no need to water them every day. As long as the soil is moist, they are still full. If you force them to drink more, their roots won't be able to breathe and they will start to struggle. And when you do water them, don't be hesitant. Go all out. Give them a deep soak until water runs out freely from the bottom hole of the pot. By doing this, you push out the old air from the soil and deliver fresh oxygen directly to the roots. Now, here is one very important point. It's not good to pour water directly over the top of the succulent, especially if water gets trapped in the center where the leaves overlap. It can cause the plant to rot from that spot. But, if they do happen to get wet, just use a blower like this to puff away the droplets. This little task is actually quite fun. You should also adjust the timing of watering depending on the season. The key temperatures to watch are 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and 5 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit. In the hot summer, if you water them during the day, the inside of the pot becomes like a sauna. So, water them in the cool evening or at night. On the other hand, in the cold winter, they might freeze at night. So, water them in the warm late morning. During the seasons when we humans feel comfortable, watering them thoroughly when dry is perfectly fine. If you look at them every day, a moment will come when you think, oh, does this one look a little tired? If the leaves are wrinkled, that is their way of saying, I'm thirsty. When you hear that little voice, please give them a good drink. By the next day, they should be back to their plump, healthy selves. Watering is like having a conversation with your plants. Don't worry too much or be too strict. Why not start by just peeking in and asking, how are you feeling today? I hope your succulents stay healthy and happy today too. See you soon!